Hi and welcome to this safeMedicate video tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be using the help menu item which provides access to our customer support services where you have 5 support options. Firstly, you have our user guide. Now use this option to open an online copy of our comprehensive user guide. It covers everything you need to know. Next, we have our knowledge base. Use this option to access our most frequently asked questions and the answers we've provided. Third, we have our video tutorials. Use this option to access a list of Show Me video tutorials like the one you're currently watching that will step you through the most commonly used functions. Then we have your local administrator. Use this option to contact your local administrator. This is the person within your university or organisation that you should contact for support in the first instance. Now if you click on the local administrator menu item, you will be brought through to this page. The top section of the screen shows a list of the typical things that you should contact your local administrator about. Now the contact details for your local administrator should be visible in the centre section of the screen. Now the only time we do ask you as students to contact us is if you're having technical difficulties. The lower section of the screen provides direct access to the safeMedicate technical support services. And lastly, we have the Submit Support Ticket option, which enables you to submit a support request directly to our help desk team. Now let's look at how this works. So selecting this option will open a dialog at the bottom right of your screen. Begin by posing your question or describing your problem as best as you can, as this will assist our intelligent search function to scan our knowledge base to try and provide an immediate answer to your query. So in this example, we'll search for help on finding a booked assessment. So you enter your question, so how do I find my assessment? And hit the Enter key or click on the magnifying glass icon to the right of the text entry area. Now the top results from our knowledge base will be listed and may provide an immediate answer to your query. Now in this example, the top result appears to address that query, and you can click on the link to open the answer directly from our knowledge base. Now answers may take the form of a set of instructions or, as in this example, a video tutorial. However, if none of the listed answers appear to answer your query, then you can click the Leave us a message button at the bottom right of the dialog. This will reveal an additional dialog of options for you to complete. Now as you are already logged into safeMedicate, your name, username and email address will have already been entered for you. Select your country location from the list box if it is not correct by default to ensure that the appropriate support team deals promptly with your support request. Use the How Can We Help You box to provide us with as much information as you can about your query. So for example, what were you trying to do? What exactly is the problem? Now in this example, we'll continue with seeking help on finding a scheduled assessment. The Attachments section allows you to optionally include any file that will help us answer your query. For example, if you'd received an error message, a screenshot would help us to understand what might have happened. Now in this example, there is no need to add a file. When you have entered the details, click Send and you will receive a confirmation. Our customer support team will be alerted to your support ticket and will be in touch with you shortly via email. Now that's it for now, and thanks again for taking your time to watch this tutorial.